everyone, I hope you are doing well. Just wanted to share a little moment from last night. We had an overnight prayer that started at 8 p.m. and went on until about 4:30 this morning. It was cold and it rained. But let me tell you, even in that weather, there is absolutely nothing that beats being in the presence of God. We prayed, we worshiped, listened to different preachings and teachings. I mean, we poured our hearts out and it was awesome. There is something powerful that happens when people gather to seek God and push past their comfort zone. Something special about that. So now let me hear from you. Drop your thoughts and your constructive feedback in the comments. God bless you and stay prayerful. Bye.